Hello everyone! If you want to hide an app or game on your Honor X6e so that other people can't easily find it, this video will show you exactly how to do it. I'll guide you through every step, show you where to find the required settings, and explain what to do if the option you're looking for isn't available on your phone. The whole process is quick, easy, and doesn't require installing any extra apps. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share a useful tip that can help you keep your apps and games even more private. Let's get started.